In today's digital age, making money online from the comfort of your home has never been easier or more accessible. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a full-time business, or explore new career opportunities, the Internet offers a plethora of options to help you achieve your financial goals. This guide will provide you with detailed insights into various methods of making money online, the tools you need to get started, and tips for success. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel The Wealth Wonk for more future updates. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. As a freelancer, you can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Here are some key areas to consider. Writing and editing. Content writing. Write articles, blog posts, and web content for businesses. Copywriting. Create persuasive sales copy and marketing materials. Editing and proofreading. Refine and polish written content. Graphic design. Logo design. Create logos for businesses and brands. Web design. Design websites and user interfaces. Illustration. Provide custom illustrations for various projects. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring and teaching can be a lucrative option. Academic tutoring. K-12 education. Help students with homework and exam preparation. College-level tutoring. Assist with advanced subjects and coursework. Language teaching. ESL teaching. Teach English as a second language to non-native speakers. Other languages. Offer lessons in languages you are fluent in. Skill-based teaching. Music lessons. Provide instruction in instruments or music theory. Coding classes. Teach programming languages and software development. Certifications. Obtain relevant teaching certifications if needed. Join tutoring platforms. Register on sites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wisant. Create your own courses. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to create and sell online courses. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce involves selling products online, while dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Starting an online store. Choose a niche. Select a specific product category or target market. Source products. Find suppliers or create your own products. Build a website. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Dropshipping. Partner with suppliers. Use suppliers like AliExpress or Oberlo to handle inventory and shipping. Market your products. Use social media, SEO, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Market research. Analyze market trends and customer needs. Optimize your website. Ensure your site is user-friendly and optimized for search engines. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Choosing a niche. Interest and expertise. Select a niche you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Profitability. Ensure there is a demand for products in your chosen niche. Finding affiliate programs. Networks. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share Asale, and Commission Junction. Individual programs. Look for affiliate programs offered by specific companies. Promoting affiliate products. Content creation. Create blog posts, videos, and social media content to promote products. SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to drive organic traffic. Email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted promotions to your subscribers. Build a platform. Create a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence. Analyze performance. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your affiliate links. Optimize and scale. Continuously improve your strategies to increase your earnings. Selling digital products. Digital products are intangible goods that can be sold online without the need for physical inventory. E-books and online courses. E-books. Write and sell e-books on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Online courses. Create courses on topics you are knowledgeable about and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Printables and digital downloads. Printables. Design and sell printables such as planners, calendars, and worksheets on Etsy or your own website. Digital art. Sell digital artwork, photography, and design assets. Content creation. Develop high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Marketing. Use social media, email marketing, and paid ads to promote your digital products. Customer feedback. Collect and incorporate feedback to improve your offerings. Stock photography and video. If you have a knack for photography or videography, you can sell your work online. Stock photography. Platforms. Upload and sell your photos on sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. Niche focus. Focus on specific niches such as travel, lifestyle, or business to stand out. Stock video. Platforms. Sell your videos on platforms like Pond5, VideoHive, and iStock. Quality content. Ensure your videos are high quality and meet the standards of stock video platforms. Build a portfolio. Create a collection of high-quality photos and videos. Keyword optimization. Use relevant keywords to help your work get discovered. Networking. Connect with other photographers and videographers to learn and grow. Blogging and vlogging. Creating content through blogging or vlogging can be a fun and profitable way to make money online. Blogging. Choose a niche. Select a topic you are passionate about and that has an audience. Content creation. Write engaging and informative blog posts. Monetization. Use ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing to monetize your blog. Vlogging. YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel and create video content on a specific topic. Monetization. Earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Remote work. Many companies offer remote work opportunities that allow you to work from home. Job search. Job boards. Look for remote job listings on sites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and Flex Jobs. Company websites. Check the career pages of companies you are interested in. Common remote jobs. Customer service. Provide customer support via phone, email, or chat. Sales and marketing. Handle sales calls, marketing campaigns, and social media. Technical support. Provide technical assistance and troubleshooting. Getting started. Update your resume. Highlight relevant experience and skills. Prepare for interviews. Be ready to discuss your ability to work independently and manage your time. Set up a workspace. Create a dedicated workspace to enhance productivity. Investing. Investing can be a way to generate passive income from home. Stock market. Buy and hold. Purchase stocks and hold them for long-term growth. Day trading. Buy and sell stocks within a short time frame to capitalize on market fluctuations. Real estate. Rental properties. Invest in properties and rent them out for monthly income. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate projects through online platforms. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research can be an easy way to make extra money. Survey sites. Swagbucks. Earn points by taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Survey junkie. Get paid to share your opinions through surveys. Vendale research. Participate in surveys and get paid in cash. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Wealth Wonk, for more future updates. Thanks for watching.